Hello traders, you're welcome to this video, and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are going to be diving into a strategy that can help you sharpen your market entries and improve your trading accuracy. All right, we are going to be specifically talking about the pullback stock trading system. Okay, we're going to be talking about the pullback stock trading system in this video. Okay, so if you have been struggling to identify the best moments to enter a trade during trends, this system will simplify the process for you. Okay, so let us just get right into it. What exactly is the pullback stock trading system? Simply put, it is a strategy that focuses on entering trades when the price of a stock temporarily retraces or pulls back within a larger trend. All right. Now, these pullbacks provide opportunities to join the trend at a more favorable price point, often when other traders are stepping out of their positions prematurely. Okay. Now, the beauty of this system is that it works in both uptrends and downtrends. Okay, so whether it is an uptrend or a downtrend, you can be able to make or catch good moves with this trading system. All right. Now, it's especially helpful for avoiding impulsive entries and waiting for confirmation of trend continuations. Okay. Pullbacks are key moments in the market. All right. For example, we can see that we had a bullish trend around here. This is the US 100 stock indices. So we are currently on the the Nasdaq stock indices, and we can see that we are currently in a bullish trend. Right. This is currently a buy trend, and within this trend, we can see that we had this is one pullback. Yeah, this is another pullback, and this is another pullback. So far we have already had 3 pullbacks within this bullish trend. Okay, and pullbacks are opportunities to enter. All right, they are opportunities to enter the trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so in this case, these pullbacks are creating opportunities for buyers to step in. Right, opportunities for buyers to step in, opportunities for buyers to step in. Okay, now when you master the pullback trading system, you'll learn to spot these opportunities instead of fearing the retracement. Now, this allows you to trade smarter and with more confidence. Let us now break down the steps to identifying pullbacks. Okay, the first is trend confirmation. All right, you should start by confirming the stock is in a clear trend. So you can actually decide to use moving averages. For example, you can try to use the 50 MA, the 50 EMA, or the 50 period moving average basically, or the 20 period moving average. So I'm just going to be adding both of them to the chart. Okay, so you can use these moving averages to identify whether the market is trending upwards or downwards. So we can see in this scenario, we can see that the market is currently trending upward. We even had a bullish crossover around here right after this pullback, and obviously we can see that the moving averages here confirm this bullish trend, and you can see that the price is still respecting the moving averages even up till now. Okay, and then you have to look for retracement levels. Right, pullbacks often occur at key support or resistance levels. All right, now you can see that we had a pullback to this support, and right after that, we had a buy opportunity around here. We had a buy opportunity around here. You can actually decide to also use tools like the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement is another great tool which you can use to identify pullbacks. Okay, it can help you to identify potential entry zones. All right, then you can also use other indicators for confirmation. You can complement your analysis with indicators like the RSI, for example, the relative strength index, or the stochastic oscillator, whichever one that you prefer. All right, these tools can signal when the pullback is losing momentum and the trend is likely to resume. For example, we can see that the RSI confirmed this pullback you can see that even the RSI itself was recording higher highs and higher lows, showing a bullish trend, right? But then right at this point, when the pullback was about to come to an end, you can see that the RSI already started curving upwards. So it shows that the bullish trend was about to resume. Okay. And finally, you need to watch out for chart patterns during the pullback, okay, such as bull flags, in an uptrend, or bear flags in a downtrend. Okay, these patterns can give you a visual clue that the price is preparing to continue in that direction. So in case if you find any chart pattern, you can also pay attention to that. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean the chart patterns might always occur, during periods of pullback, but just in case you find any significant chart pattern, then you got to pay attention to that. Now, once you've identified a pullback, it is time to plan your trade. All right, you need to plan your entry point. Okay, you can decide to enter the trade when the price confirms a continuation of the trend. When you get a confirmation, for example, in this scenario, we have to wait for a confirmation that this bullish trend is about to resume. Okay, so whatever confirmation you get, whether from your indicators or from chart patterns or candlestick patterns, just ensure that your confirmation has been gotten before you enter a buy trade. And then in terms of your stop loss placement, always set your stop loss just below the pullback's lowest point. All right, so you can consider setting your stop loss just around here below the pullback's lowest point. All right, that is in a buy trend, but if it's in a sell trend, it's going to be the pullback's highest point. Okay, now this ensures that your risk is managed effectively. All right. Now, concerning your take profit strategy, use the overall trend's momentum to guide your take profit levels. Okay, so you can consider key resistance or support zones. Okay, in the case of a buy trend, you're going to be considering key resistance zones. Okay, and then in the case of a sell trend, you're going to be considering key support zones for your take profit targets. All right, you can actually decide to also use your average true range to calculate realistic targets. Okay, now before you start using the pullback stock trading system, here are a few tips that you should consider. All right, it is very important to be patient. Patience is key. All right, wait for confirmation of the trend continuation before entering. All right, secondly, always backtest the system on historical data to build confidence. All right, and then finally, always practice good risk management by sticking to your stop loss and position sizing rules. All right, remember, this system isn't about chasing trades. It is about waiting for the right opportunities and executing with precision. All right, and there you have it, a complete breakdown of the pullback stock trading system. If you are ready to take your trading skills to the next level, start by practicing this system on a demo account or low risk trades. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really supports the channel and lets me know you want more strategies like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.